Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best 60% keyboards. Starting at number 5. Keychron K4 Ultra. If you're new to mechanical keyboards, you may be interested in a low-profile option, as they feel similar in design to non-mechanical boards. We recommend the Keychron K4. Everything about this sleek keyboard is low-profile. From the solid plastic chassis to the Keychron low-profile stock switches and tile-like keycaps. Every component is as thin as possible without sacrificing any mechanical feel. Since you can connect it with up to 3 devices on Bluetooth, it's a great choice to use with an iPad, tablet, or other mobile devices. However, if you want something a little more funky looking that's still low profile, we recommend the new PHY Air 75. While it's a much more expensive option, it does offer a higher build quality and has companion software with a suite of customization options. Coming at number 4. And Pro 2, 60%. Compact keyboards are having their moment right now. They're easier to bring back and forth from home to the office rather than lugging a bulky, full-size unit. And they also free up more desk space for gamers to make dynamic mouse movements. So, if you're looking for a compact keyboard, we recommend the Abinslab and Pro 2. This well-built unit comes in a variety of switch types and brands, so you can find a feeling that works for you. It connects wirelessly with up to 4 devices using a Bluetooth connection, great to use at work in a multi-device setup. Or you can use it in a wired mode, where its latency is extremely low. Taesong Zgangnyo is specializing in creating a unique mechanical keyboard with the best performance of lighting, customizability, durability, multiple layouts, and programmability, etc. Established in early 2014, most of ZGN members are professional engineers that have been working in IT technical industry for many years. They are sophisticated in product design, cloud computing, and software applications. Just like the said Euro design is not just what it looks like and feels like. At number 3. Keychron K4 96%. If you're looking for your first mechanical keyboard and don't have a ton of money to spend, the Keychron K4 is the best budget mechanical keyboard we've tested. While it doesn't come fully loaded with extra features, it does offer a comfortable and satisfying typing experience. You can get this keyboard in the standard offering of switch types, tactile brown, linear red, or clicky blue. Or you can get a hot swappable version that allows you to plug and play with the switches you want. The ABS keycaps feel nice to the touch, though they may be prone to developing shine from finger oil over time. It's also fully compatible with both Windows and macOS. And you can use the switch on the top of the keyboard to toggle between operating systems. It also includes additional keycaps and a keycap puller so you can change the layout to best fit what operating system you're working on. Overall, for the price point, it's the best full-size mechanical keyboard you can find. Number 2 of my list. Razer ProType Ultra. Like the Ducky 1.3, the Razer ProType Ultra is a versatile mechanical keyboard suitable for both work and play. Unlike the Ducky, the ProType Ultra is wireless. It connects with a USB receiver, which is also fully compatible with the Razer Pro Click mouse, so you only need one receiver for both devices. Or, you can connect it via Bluetooth with up to 3 devices. Inside the board, it uses Razer's linear yellow switches, which provide a very light typing experience, meaning you won't feel fatigue in your fingers after a long work day. It's important to note that the keyboard only comes with linear switches installed, so if your primary use is for typing, you may prefer the older version of this keyboard, the Razer ProType, as it has tactile switches installed that let you know when a key's been registered. Unfortunately, that model doesn't include a wrist rest. And number 1. Yellow Ducky 1.3. The best mechanical keyboard we've tested is the Ducky 1.3. This brightly colored unit comes in a variety of sizes, color schemes, and switch types, so you can find a variant that satisfies all your needs. Regardless of what version you get, you'll find a well-built board with PBT keycaps that feel great to type on and a hot swappable PCB, so even if you don't like your stock switches, you can change them out for whichever you want. It has a wired-only connection and has a matching colorful USB-A to USB-C cable that's removable, so you can easily replace it if it gets damaged. Featuring Ducky's all-new Quack Mechanics design philosophy. Dual-layer hot swap PCBW/exclusive Kale yellow hot swap sockets. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.